Good morning, children. To continue with our chapter Jugs and Mugs, our today's topic is subtraction. So let's learn how to subtract quantities that are given in liters and milliliters. So here we get arrange in columns and subtract. So first our work is to arrange the quantities in columns. For that we write liter and milliliter in two different columns. Let's see our example. It's 58 liter 475 milliliter minus 37 liter 890 milliliters. Okay, children. So let's write this quantity first. As you know, we have to start from the right hand side. So here I write 5, 7 and 475 in milliliters column and 58 8 and 5 58 in liters column. Now let's write this quantity that we need to subtract. Here we have got 890. Again, beginning from the right hand side, I write 0, 9 and 8, 890, and here I write 37. Okay, now again we will now subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 is smaller digit than 9. So we have to borrow from 4 the previous digit. 4 becomes 3 and 7 becomes 17 as we have borrowed 1 from 4. 17 minus 9 is 8. Again in our next column we have 3 minus 8. Also here we need to borrow because 3 is smaller digit than 8. So we will borrow from here. This 8 becomes 7 and this 3 becomes 13. Okay, children. So 13 minus 8, children, it's 5. Coming to our next column, that is 7 minus 7. We don't need to borrow any further because 7 minus 7 is 0. We can subtract 7 from 7. We get 0. And here in the last column we have 5 minus 3, that is 2. So our answer is, children, 20 liter 585 milliliters. We'll see one more example, children. This is our next question. 309 liters 185 milliliters minus 217 liters and 589 milliliters. Okay. Now again we will write liter and ml for two different columns. Let's write our first quantity, that is 309 liter 185 milliliter. We will write the milliliter quantity first. So we have 5, 8 and 1, 185 milliliters, and here we have 9, 0 and 3, 309 milliliters. This quantity now, children, starting from the right hand side, I write here 9, 8 and 5. That is milliliter column, and 217, 7, 1 and 2 in our liter column. Let's start our subtraction. 5 minus 9, as you already know, borrow needs to be taken here. It becomes 15. Here 8 becomes 7. So 15 minus 9 is, children, 6. Now 7 minus 8 is again not possible. So we take borrow from this digit. This becomes 0 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, children. Now we have 0 minus 5. Yes, we need to take borrow once again. So this becomes 8, the 9 digit 9 becomes 8, and here we get 10. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 7, moving on to the liters column, we have here 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1, children. Then we got here 0 minus 1, which is not possible. So again we take borrow here. 0 becomes 10 and 3 becomes 2. So here we have 10 minus 1 will be 9 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So you can write 0 here, or you may not write. This is the last digit. It's your wish. And that's our answer, 91 liter and 596 milliliters. Okay, children. So this is our answer. I think, children, you understood subtraction of liters and milliliters, and now you will be able to solve on your own. Thank you so much. That will be all for this video.